Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these earrings using beading wire. I'm using 19 strand beading wire. They're just a really good way to make a really sort of unusual dangly earring there, drop earring. So depending what colour you're using, I'm going to use gold here, 19 strand, just cut about 20 centimetres. If you feed on a crimp about 8 centimetres down, and position that in place, that'll just stop the beads falling off when you thread them on. Then thread on your little section of beads. I'm using the check glass daggers here, which seem to work quite well with this style. So I'll just get these threaded on. So when you've got your little section of beads on, just thread on another crimp, but maybe don't squish this one down just yet. Because we now need to join the wires and attach the ear wire. So bring the two wires together, feed on another crimp. So this crimp is going to have to be big enough so that both wires feed through. So a size 3 crimp tube or crimp bead. And slide it down until you've got the sort of the length that you want. So it's a bit sort of fiddly, just moving it all around a little bit till you get it in the position that you want it to be in. When you're happy with the length of your earring and you've got your crimp on there, you can just squish that one down. So everything's in place now. Then we actually need to put another crimp on. So we're going to take one of the wires out to the side and snip that one off. Then pop another crimp on. Let that slide down, and then we're going to feed the wire back through this crimp to create a little loop, which is going to be what we use to attach to the ear wire. You can use your chain nose pliers if you want to pull that through a bit. Slide it down so it's sat on top of the other one. I just want a small little loop like that. Then squish that one down. Pull the wire out to the side, the excess wire. Snip that bit off. And then we can use a large crimp cover, so like a 6 or 7 mil crimp cover, to cover up all of those crimps. So take it over, close it, use the pliers to squeeze it at the top and the bottom until it molds into a complete circle. And then just to finally attach your ear wire. So just to open the loop on your ear wire, just with your chain nose pliers, pull the loop slightly towards you, and then you can slide your little loop on the top of your earring onto that. Let that hang down, and then close up the ear wire. And yeah, you've got your earring.